What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Jay Gagain Show. My name is Jay Gagain. Let me just tell you one thing. If you're coming to this channel looking for bearish news, you're not going to get it here. As you guys know who have been watching this channel, I'm bullish on crypto for the long term. I think that we're just at the beginning of the cryptocurrency market and where it can go, guys. I really do believe that these are the beginning stages of cryptocurrency, and I'm bullish on it. So right now we are in somewhat of a dip, guys, and that is normal. And I want to show this because it's pretty interesting. But the fear and greed index right now is at a 25. The fear and greed index, according on June 18th, is at a 25, which is absolutely insane to me. I mean, you're watching this video right now. Leave me a comment below, guys. Are you at a 25? Like, sure, I'm not extremely greedy when Tesla's pumping Bitcoin and it's going to 60K, but a 25, like I don't believe I'm at a 25 right now. But leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys are at, guys. But I want to talk about the cryptocurrency market in general as a wider picture, because as of today, it's down 5.43%. And as you guys know, I'm very active on Twitter, so I'm seeing what people are saying on Twitter, and people are kind of freaking out. People expect this to keep sliding. I've saw some tweets. People are expecting this to go to 29,000. People are expecting it to go to 25. Some people think it's going to go up. Some people think it's going to, stay at 32. So a lot of different opinions out there, guys. But I just want to show you. So look, Bitcoin on the day, yes, it's down. So last night it was at 38,000. It looks like 38,000. And then as of today at 12 o'clock, it was at a low of 35,255 is the low. So we're looking at Bitcoin, right, guys? Perfect. Let's zoom out. It's been a great year. People are taking some profits. Let's zoom out. This is what it was at on the year, guys. Who was investing a year ago? Smash that like button if you were. A year ago, guys, on June 19th, 1 year ago, Bitcoin was trading at $9,000. And as of today, right now, it's at $35,904. It's important to have perspective. It's important to zoom out and see how far we've come. Trading at 35,000. I remember when this was an all-time high and people were freaking out when it hit 36,000. And then right after that, shortly after that, Elon Musk started tweeting about it, endorsing it. And then we know what happened from there. It absolutely went parabolic. Same thing with Ethereum, another project that I'm most bullish on. Probably the most bullish on, honestly. At the beginning of the day, 2,377. All-time high today, 2,300. Incredible, guys. Ethereum, 2,300. The all-time low, or the low for today, 2,147. 2,147. Let's zoom out on Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum has done in a year, guys. June 19th, it was trading at $228. $228 as of June 20th, June 19th. You guys get the picture. And then it obviously hit an all-time high, which was incredible, of 4,200, right around 4,200, which was insane. But if you're looking at it here on the daily, on the weekly, yeah, there's some bearish news. But if you zoom out a little bit, guys, and see where we're at, and I still do believe that we're still in a bear market, guys. We are still in a we're still in a bull market, guys. Believe me, we are in a bull market, in my opinion. But you just got to zoom out to see what has happened, guys. I mean, I know so many people that got into Ethereum below $1, below $10, like well below $100. So yeah, when it hits $4,000, people are going to take some profits. And you look at the news too. Bitcoin slides toward worst day in 3 weeks, leads crypto's Friday skid along with stock market. Like, there's going to be FUD all over the news, guys, when you're looking at the news. The SEC commissioner is talking about Bitcoin. The problem with Bitcoin's El Salvador law. You'll see stuff about Elon Musk. And it's important to just take these things with a grain of salt. You know, that's why Bitcoin was created. That's why Ethereum was created. It's like these are decentralized. You'll see FUD about China and other, in the G7 summit, people are talking about it. It's like, this is what the news does. This is what the institutional money does. That's why they have so much money, because they understand how to spread the news, spread the FUD. But at the end of the day, guys, this is not going anywhere. We are at the beginning stages. So this is a message for whoever needs it. I know a lot of people on Twitter are freaking out. A lot of people are freaking out that it might go to 25,000. Bitcoin might go to 25,000. And the market goes with Bitcoin. It really does. I mean, you might have one coin that might go up because of an announcement or something, but the whole market goes with Bitcoin. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still accumulating Bitcoin. I'm still accumulating cryptocurrencies during the stage. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies that I'm very, very bullish on that I believe in for the long term. And although we are still in a bull market, in my opinion, this is normal. I mean, we had all-time highs of close to 60,000 for Bitcoin, 2,400 for Ethereum. A year ago today, they were at 9,000. They were at 200. So it's like it's normal that people are taking their profits on these, and it's time to sit back, either buy more or just hold. Because guess what, guys? In my opinion, this is not financial advice, but everything is going to go up in the long run. I'm super bullish on cryptocurrency in general. I'm super bullish on a lot of projects. I got a handful of projects that I'm very, very bullish on that I know, in my honest opinion, will go up for a long, long time. And then I also like to have fun and gamble and do some things with these other meme coins. But in general, guys, a lot of FUD going on. I just don't agree that the market and the fear should be at a 25. Extreme fear. I mean, I'm not extremely fearful whatsoever. I hope it does go a little bit lower so I can continue to accumulate more, because I do believe that we'll see a $250,000 Bitcoin. I do believe that we'll see a $10,000 Ethereum. I do believe that we'll see a $500 to $600 polka dot. Who knows what AUTA can hit? Cardano. Smart contracts coming out soon. So it's just good to be patient. Look, when everybody's freaking out, it's normal to be freaking out. When everybody's extremely greedy, it's normal to be greedy. But as our good friend Warren Buffett said, we do have to flip that mentality, guys. When people are fearful, you should be greedy. And when people are greedy, you should be fearful. And guys, based off of the fear and greed index, it looks like people are fearful. And if you ask Warren, he would say, don't buy Bitcoin. But he would say in these terms, it's good to be greedy. So as always, guys, do your own research, not financial advice. I usually talk about individual tokens, but the market's down a little bit. A lot of the tokens I'm investing in are down. I looked at my portfolio. It's like, oh, wow. Yesterday, I was playing golf at the country club, and today I'm playing on the public course. Pretty good analogy, actually. But with that being said, guys, look, there's more to life than just cryptocurrencies. We got to get outside and stop staring at the screens all day. If you're bullish on these projects and you do believe in them long term, then you should be fine. You don't have to stare at the screens and watch the charts and update coin market cap every single day. And I do it. I'm guilty. Hey, I do it too. But it is important for us to focus on the long term, guys. Look at any other stock. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, Cardano, OMI, all of these different tokens for a long, long term. I didn't name all the tokens I'm bullish on. There's a lot that I'm bullish on for the long term, guys. And I think that we're still very early. So if you're watching this video, you're still very early. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have fun. Enjoy your life. Don't just stare at computer screens all day, guys. I just want to say this because, look, the market is down. I don't believe it needs to be here. What goes up must come down. And as Warren Buffett says, when there's greed, be fearful. And when there's fear, be greedy. And I know a lot of people learned that during this bull run as markets, as tokens were going up in price, up in price, up in price. People were throwing more money, and they've kind of come back to where they should be, which is, about 50% of everybody was at the all-time high. So a lot of people learn lessons from this. I don't think that the bull run's over. I think that we're one news away from something being something going absolutely parabolic. Like the El Salvador news was huge. We're one country away, but we're also one major announcement away from spreading that FUD. But I will continue to remain bullish. I hope that you do too. That's up to you. That's a personal choice. And have fun. Enjoy it, guys. It's a great time to be in cryptocurrency, guys. It's very, very early. We're in the beginning stages. Like it's the gold rush in San Francisco back in the day. We are in the very, very beginning stages. It's going to be exciting to see the adoption that happens. El Salvador was the first country to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender. Who's going to be next? Who will be next? I'm sure a lot of companies will follow suit because of the amount of people that are moving to El Salvador, because of the amount of awareness it's gotten, because of the amount of money that will be brought in. And at the end of the day, guys, money runs the world. Tell me that another country like El Salvador, similar, won't accept Bitcoin, and then other ones will soon follow. So it's June 18th, 2021. Bitcoin is at, let's go ahead and take a chart because I want to document this because I'll look at this at a later date and be proud of myself for my thoughts, hopefully. Bitcoin's at 35,000. I'll probably say to myself, Jake, why did you not buy more? Why did you not buy more when you had the chance? Ethereum is at 2,200. A lot of people think it's late. A lot of people think it's overpriced. When it's at 10K, I'll be like, Jake, why did you not buy more? So not financial advice, guys. This is me actually talking to myself, my personal opinion. But that is where we're at today. The market's down a little bit. It's normal. We're going to see what happens over the weekend. We're going to see what happens over the next few days. Obviously, this usually happens every weekend. but I think we'll be fine. Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Thank you guys for tuning into the Jay Gagain Show. We will see you tomorrow for another episode. Peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend.